today was really fun.
Okay, guys, so today they're going to be unboxing a surprise. They have no idea what it is because I did not tell them what it is. So they're going to be surprised, okay? I'll be back. Okay, guys, so we're back. So I'm just going to give them this. Let them open this one.
Right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So.
Where did I put the other one?
I'm opening it. Thank you.
Make sure that's the right one. What does it say the name of it is?
The new case.
No, what's the name on it? Make sure it's for the right phone.
It says mobile case. It says best quality accessories.
Yeah, it's just because it's all got the same. It's the same. No, it doesn't fit.
You have to take it out and put it on it. So he's gonna get that set up. In the meantime, we're gonna do the next one. So the next one is. Wait.
Can I get the scissors?
Oh,
Can I get the scissors?
No.
Okay, so this one is yours. I'm gonna have to help y'all set it up.
Can I get Can I get the scissors?
So tell them what it is.
I got a screensaver. I got a new phone case.
Yes, especially Xavier. So what type of phone case is it?
So I got a
Oh, I didn't give you your...
Galaxy Note 8.
Here, Mama. This one is yours. I gave you the phone case already, so I got the screensaver.
I don't think it fits.
So open it up. Okay.
Can I use the scissors?
Okay, so first you're gonna push that down, and you have to do the top. Did you move the other one? Because you have to do them. It's two things in one.
I need the scissors. No, it doesn't fit.
It's two things in one.
Who has the scissors?
There's 3 of them.
Come on.
What's this?
Yep, so open that one. You got it? So first, what you're going to do, Davion, you're going to clean the screen with, it should be a wet one in there. First, you clean the screen and then you put the screensaver on it. That's how you do it. Yeah, that one's supposed to go on the front.
Which one?
Whichever one where it says clean.
I hear dust absorber. Oh, that?
Yeah, just take that and clean the screen. Normally, they have a wet one in there. Maybe they didn't pack it. Okay, guys, so...
Okay, so this is my phone case.
Yeah, so
I know,
see,
it's cool.
it's black and I mean it's blue. His case is blue and gray. All right, so now we're gonna do Davion. That's the second one.
No, the first one.
Okay, so his screensaver, like it says Super Shield. It says Super Shield, but for some reason, it's just a super thin plastic. This is your second one, right? Yeah. It's just a super thin plastic. So I'm going to help him with this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to do Davion. So,
wait.
1 second. Let me get the phone case.
So, look like this.
Because basically, he already had the phone case that I previously got. So, he just needed a screensaver because the other one was like, it was really hard. It was a really thick shell. So it was really, really difficult to put it on. It was like super thick. Like even when you punch the stuff on the keypad, it wouldn't work properly. So I got this one. So this is like a plastic, that one. So now we're going to do Darian. She have the Galaxy A10e. So get off that for a second. So see, yours come with it. So see, this one I was looking for from their phones, the wet and dry wipe. So we're gonna use that first. So now open the wet one. Just rip it. So she's gonna do hers.
Does it look like this?
That's how it's supposed to look. Or I'll try it again. Try to lift it up. See, so his is a little bulky still, so I'll fix that after. Like, just rip it.
I could buy a fruit, mommy.
That's it. Just
if you don't know, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
No.
okay. So now she have the wet wipe. Just wipe the screen. Just wipe it off, and then we're gonna put the screensaver on there. So hers is a super shield, so it's the glass, so it's thick. His Davion's is the like plastic. Hers is the thick shield. I mean the glass. It's the glass. So you know if it fall on the floor, the glass gonna break, not the phone screen. So it's okay. There you go. Now do the dry. Yeah, just rip it. There you go. And then once you dry it, I'll help you put the phone case on. Davion's came with two. All their phones, they come with two cases except for Xavier's. His is supposed to be a built-in case, but it's missing the screen. So I'm going to have to buy him a screensaver separately. So yeah, she wiped it and dried, so now I'm going to help her put the screensaver on.
Let me see it.
Okay, so... Alright, so this is what we're going to do. Now, what we're going to do is... We're going to rip it. See right here? So basically, we're going to rip the plastic off and put it on the phone. I'll be right back. Okay, so we finished with Darion's. Like I said, hers, it is 2 in a pack. So she got 2 of everything. And this is the other one. So we're going to put that in here. And we're going to put this one up for her to use on the next time. And this is what it looks like. It's the glass screen protector. And Davion's is a super shield. It's like plastic protector. So now that's it. Were y'all surprised with the cases?
Yeah.
Do you love them? Well,
I wasn't that really when I was.
But then you don't know what color, so you're surprised because you thought I
was
forgot.
surprised with the color, but when it came
And
to
I was getting a phone case.
I knew
Yeah.
it was a phone case from
See, Davion and Darian already had phone cases that I just gave them, but they just needed screensaver because the one they had broke. So Xavier's, he said his phone looked bigger. Show them. Show them the back of it. See, with the phone case, it looks so big.
Without the phone case, and that was
Yeah, the phone case extended. All right, Davis.
Oh, wait, mommy.
Davis, Chris. Make sure you go follow.
Okay.
Davion plays capital D and capital P, and it's not S, it's Y.
Okay, and follow me.
It's a S, you mean? It's not a Z. It's
capital X, and PLAYZ.
You know, I'll just show you right here.
Okay. No. All right, you guys, and make sure you follow Darion on TikTok. What's your TikTok name?
Princess Darion 7.
Okay, follow her on TikTok, guys, and like her videos and stuff like that. So follow the boys on YouTube, follow her on TikTok. All right, so that's it. So
Thank you for watching Davis Crew.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.